प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 में अब वक्त है महिलाओं के 53 यानी 53 किलोग्राम पर कुश्ती मुकाबले का। दिल्ली सुल्तान की ओर से आ रही है भारतीय मूल की पिंकी। महिलाओं के 53 किलोग्राम पर कुश्ती मुकाबले के लिए हरियाणा हैमर्स की ओर से आ रही है सीमा।
There we have Pinky, the gold medalist in the national championship at the age of 22, coming in the 53 kilogram category for the Delhi Sultans. As she takes on Seema from the Haryana Hammers, a gold medalist in the 2017 national championship, a gold medalist in the 2017 Commonwealth Championships. This could be the swing match of the day, the swing bout that could separate and seal the fate for either team. Seema and Pinky, they are both champions. 4-1, Haryana leading. It's a do or die, more or less, for Pinky. Seema will look to just consolidate on the victory.
Well, Pinky has been a giant killer this season. She has defeated Vanessa, Ritu Fogart, and was a very close bout against Vinesh Fogart. But again, let's see what she does here.
The last time they met, Pinky won it 4-2. But not a lot separates them. They're almost the same in experience and accomplishments.
Well, Seema comes from Gudan village in Rohtak and is nicknamed Choti. Youngest of the 5 siblings, and her father is a farmer. So she's worked all her way up on this stage. That's what this stage provides. A platform for young and deserving players.
Absolutely. They're coming from the akhadas, they're coming from the rigorous training of years after years, and they now get a platform that the world is witnessing. The bar has been raised to such heights here.
Currently employed with Railways, her sister helped her to get into this training all the way since she was 12, and now she's looking really good on this mat. Can she hold Pinky?
Pinky looking at an attack opportunity. They're grappling each other, a lot of collar ties. Sort of a slow start where they're just testing each other out. Neither player opening their account.
Well, both of them are slow starters, but Pinky...
There we have the Indo-Tibetan Border Force and the Rajputana Rifles. India's pride.
When you look at Pinky, she starts her bout very fast, and look at it. She's trying to get Seema down.
There we see, they've broken loose here. Going for it now. One of them is going to go all out now as we close in on the end of round 1.
Pinky in this entire PWL has scored 35 points and Seema 24. So that talks about the difference in their approach and in their game.
Absolutely, as we close in. 4-1, Haryana leading over Delhi. 1-0 in this bout. Someone is going to go for it. There you see, looking for a takedown. Pinky wants a takedown. They have to keep a certain gap between themselves to avoid being taken down. Crowd cheering on for our Jawans.
Then Pinky cut loose and getting inside for the attack. 5 seconds to go. Can she equalize?
There you have it. A slender lead of 1-0.
Well, again, it's going to be a very tough battle, but Delhi has to win this game to stay in this entire semi-final. Let's see. That's Mr. Kartikeya Sharma, the originator of this league. Haryana leading from 4 bouts to 1. Seema again with just slender lead of 1 point. That's Bhupinder, the co-owner of Haryana Hammers. Of course, with his friends behind him, Himanshu and Dipin Kapoor, the other co-owners.
Seema looking to consolidate on her 1 point lead. Can Pinky break through here? She's a gold medalist in the national championships in 2018 and battling it out against another gold medalist again in the national championships in 2017.
Well, Pinky comes from the same place as Sakshi Malik in Rohtak, the Mokra village, and Ritwali, and coaches under the same coach, Mandeep Singh. Let's see. Let's see, can she cut it loose and go for it?
There you see the big trophy that each of the 6 teams have been fighting for all these weeks. We're heading to the final tomorrow. Who's going to join the Stuti Punjab Royals tomorrow?
Okay, no blocking. Wrestling.
Well, if Haryana takes this bout, I think they are in the final immediately. But Pinky is the only challenger right now between their semi-final bout, their final place.
Sunil, if Haryana takes this, they're surely into the final. There's no way Delhi Sultans can come back.
Right, because the best of 5, you have to win by the 5, five.
Absolutely. The total number of bouts, 9, the first to 5, and 4-1 Haryana already leading. Delhi Sultans in a do-or-die bout here. Pinky has to be the hero of the evening if she wants Delhi Sultans to stay alive today.
Well, she's the sparring partner of Sakshi Malik, and I think in the morning they were discussing how to tackle Seema. Seema, as you know, is laid slightly lesser weight as compared to Pinky.
It's going neck to neck, 1-1. Pinky needs to rise for the Delhi Sultans if they want to go to the final or stay alive today. Seema looking at a takedown. They're grappling, a lot of collar ties. Extremely controlled and aware moves here. There you see a brilliant move by...
Excellent.
Absolutely going for the leg there. Pinky attacking. She needs to rise to the occasion.
I think Pinky has done it. She's got those 3 points.
That much needed point break here. 3-1. Delhi will stay alive if they get it.
Excellent.
They expand this lead. They are alive.
Pinky knows how to handle now next 15 seconds. She will now keep holding on to Seema before the referee gets her up. 15 seconds to go. Is it on? Is the game on for Delhi?
The beauty of this league has always been that every bout can turn in a matter of a second. It takes a second to turn around bouts. And there you see
Seema
the referee calling it off. Suddenly, Pinky looking stronger, more composed, more focused. Seema looking sort of helpless here.
2 seconds to go. Has Pinky done it for Delhi? Yes, she has.
Brilliant. Kartik Sabalov, jubilant, the captain of the Delhi Sultans. They would have gone home if Pinky hadn't sealed this one for them. And we always see someone or the other rises to the occasion when their team needs them. That's been the biggest beauty of this league.
Well, the girl from Ritwali village has done it again. The sparring partner of Sakshi is the real champion tonight.
मत ले पंगा।